Some cash advance apps charge nothing for a standard advance, while others add optional express transfer fees, monthly memberships, or tipping requests that can make a small advance much more expensive than it first appears. By the end of this video, you'll know how to compare cash advance apps based on their real costs, and how to avoid paying unnecessary fees. If your goal is the cheapest option, don't just look at the advertised advance amount. Look at the entire fee structure. Many apps let you receive money through a standard bank transfer at no extra cost if you're willing to wait. If you need the money immediately, that's usually when express delivery fees come into play. The next thing to check is whether the app requires a monthly membership. Some services include budgeting tools, credit tracking, or other financial features as part of a subscription. Those extras may be useful, but if you only need an occasional cash advance, paying every month can quickly cost more than the advance itself. Another detail people overlook is optional tipping. Several cash advance apps allow users to leave a tip after receiving funds. The tip may not be mandatory, but it still increases your total cost. Before confirming an advance, review the payment screen carefully so you understand exactly what you're agreeing to pay. Now let's talk about choosing the right app. If you only need emergency cash once in a while, look for an app that offers free standard transfers and doesn't require an ongoing subscription. Waiting a little longer for the deposit can save money every time you borrow. If you expect to use cash advances regularly, compare the monthly membership against the value of the extra features. Budgeting tools, spending insights, or credit building features may justify the cost if you'll actually use them. Also, read the repayment terms before accepting any advance. Know when the money will be withdrawn from your account, make sure sufficient funds will be available, and avoid stacking advances from multiple apps at the same time. That helps prevent cash flow problems and unnecessary overdraft charges from your bank. The cheapest cash advance app isn't always the one with the biggest advertising campaign. It's the one with the fewest fees, for the way you actually plan to use it. To sum it up, compare standard transfer costs before express fees, check whether a monthly subscription is required, and review optional tips before confirming your advance. Your next step is to compare 2 or 3 apps side by side using those 3 categories before signing up. If this video helped you make a smarter choice, give it a like and subscribe for more straightforward financial comparisons.